Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. Before we get into it, if you are not a subscriber, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. And feel free to leave a like if you enjoy this breakdown of S&P 500 index. So in this video, we're going to go over this S&P trade taken this morning during London session. As you guys know, I really don't trade equities until New York session, either AM or PM. All right, but I also do dabble a little bit within the equities market during London session if we have certain confluences that take place. So today I'm going to go over those confluences. We're going to break down why did I take this trade, the confluences behind it, and why my target was where it was. Now remember, you guys can repeat this same process once you have my index trading course coming very soon. Super excited about it. Definitely click the second link in the description to join my Telegram community if you want to stay updated with that course and when it releases. Without further ado, let's get into a quick commercial and then let's hop right into this S&P break. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick new commercial. Let me know you all's thoughts in the comments down below. So coming off of market open, all right, right over here within this area, we actually had a gap within the market on most of our index pairs, right? So we can see that price pushes to the upside, okay, to essentially close whatever imbalance took place here. It also formed on the S&P. It formed on the NASDAQ, and it formed on one other index market that my team and I pay attention to. Anyway, so we can see that the market pushed to the upside here, and then we had a nice roll over to the downside. We had 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here. Okay, I actually took a buy position from here, okay, to take out these relatively equal highs because I anticipated us pushing to the downside and selling. Now, before I actually break down this trade, let's actually get into the beforehand, or during, I should say. So as you guys can see here, this was the markup that I had for buying above this region right here. My target for that trade was 386915. I also tweeted about this. Those of you all who follow me on Twitter, all right, you guys already knew that I was going to buy the S&P 500 index, and we were going to hit 386915 right here within this area. After that takes place, all right, we see that we sell off after sweeping buy side liquidity. We will go over this on the chart in just a second. Price sells off. My entry takes place right here, okay? My order was actually here, but with spread and everything like that, you guys know, you definitely want to incorporate spread for entries when it comes to the index market, because we trade contracts for difference. Okay, keep that in mind. So we don't actually trade the exact market price simply because we have to go through a liquidity provider in order to take that trade, right? So if you have a broker, bank, institution that you use, whether it be E-Trade, anything like that, they are going to charge you some type of amount, whether it be spread or through commission, in order to place that trade, right? Webull does the same thing as well. So if you guys use any of those assets. So we can see that price then pushes to the downside. We had a little bit of hiccup here, okay, but we were looking at this as possible reentry opportunities, and then price continues to fall over to the downside. Around 5:56 a.m., okay, I told you guys that I sold both the ADX, which is the German 30, and the S&P. Okay, and I was going to get out around 6 a.m. So I'll show you guys where that target is and why that was the target. Now let's hop back into the charts. Remember, if you're a student of mine, you also get access to my Twitter close circle, okay? So those of you that are students of mine, feel free to follow me on Twitter. Let me know that you are a student so I can follow you back and then add you to our close circle on Twitter. So this was the area that we took buys in order to take out these relatively equal highs. And shout out to the team for catching these setups, right? If you are not a part of Mac Trading Academy, what I want you to do is click that link in the description. Go ahead and join in preparation for our Monday night webinar, where I will be breaking this down for students in depth, right? So we can see once we swept buy side liquidity here, Okay, market opened here, pushed to the upside as it relates to 12 a.m., pushed to the upside, and then we rolled over to the downside. Now let's get into the M5 time frame and let's start to break down our entry just a little bit. Now remember, when we are trading the index market, we are looking to take advantage of the movement and volume within a session, right? So we're not looking to necessarily hold these trades. What we're looking to do is when the algorithm is seeking buy or sell side liquidity, okay, there are things that the algorithm leaves behind, right? There are small little footprints. All we do is take advantage of those footprints and follow where the market is already intending on going. Simply because the market has to stay balanced, it's going to always target buy side and then sell side liquidity. Once it hits sell side, it's then going to target buy side, and so on and so forth. So as we can see here, within this area, we had a nice sweep to the upside above this doji wick here. Okay, then price breaks to the downside. We have this swing low that forms here. Price breaks that swing low, and we have some type of imbalance within the market right here within this area. Price then trades back up into that imbalance, right? That is where we took our entry, stop right above this region here, right? And then the market started to roll over to the downside. Now, my first target is always going to be 5%. However, as you guys saw from that tweet, I got out of the market after the 6 a.m. candle. So 6 a.m. was here, and then we had the 6:05 candle start right here, and this is where I took my profit, right? But always targeting 5%, that's not bad at all. So this trade was about a 7.19% return on investment, which not bad whatsoever, right? So those of you that are interested in learning how to take advantage of these index markets and how to make money every single day within the index market, what I want you guys to do is click on the first link in the description, join Mac Trading Academy, and sign up for a one-on-one session, right? Within the one-on-one session, you will be able to essentially ask any and all question that pertains to our Mac Trading Academy's institutional trading strategy, as well as our index trading strategy course coming very, very soon. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, feel free to leave a like and make sure you all join in on the Telegram community. Second link in the description in order to take advantage of my free webinars throughout the week, right? We just had a Sunday night webinar yesterday where we were able to answer questions, break down a couple of charts that you guys were interested in, as well as I show you guys how to take advantage of my trade alerts, right? So those of you guys that are interested in taking advantage of my trade alerts, also link is in the description. Feel free to join in on the Telegram bot because that is where I show you guys how to actually take advantage of them. And every now and then we will send out a free signal, but in order to know when we're going to do that, you got to join the Telegram. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace out.